What's up, everybody? This is Madi from Madi's Review Channel. Today I'm going to cover the Showbox APK. If you have not heard, there are a lot of people has been getting copyright notices through their ISP. So more information on this, details, stay tuned. Today we are covering the APK Showbox. This is an FYI if you are thinking about installing Showbox. As you can see, they have tons of movies, TV shows. I would strongly suggest you to remove this from your device. Do not upload this. Do not have anything to do with this add-on, as this add-on uses peer-to-peer. So if you decide to watch this, you will actually be notified by your ISP that you have a copyright claim, as I have received one. I will show you later in this demonstration of how I received a copyright notice. So strongly suggest you to remove Showbox. Showbox is basically a clickbait. If you download this, you definitely will get connected with your ISP. So I strongly suggest you to remove this. Do not install this. Tell everybody not to install this, or you will be copyrighted. I'm going to go ahead and show you my claims. I removed the IP address for security purposes. As you can see, do not use Showbox. Thanks for watching.